Hey everybody, this is a quick informational video. I've got a Samsung Galaxy S4. I'm going to show you some steps you can take if your phone is lagging, freezing, running slow, even rebooting or force closing certain apps by itself. Now most of those issues are related to memory. So what I usually like to start off with is how much memory do you have in your phone? So you're going to go to storage and you're going to see available space. Normally, if it's less than 500 megabytes, you're going to see issues with the phone performance. One thing I will say is also, if anything, unmount your memory card. Sometimes if there's a corrupt file or corruption on the memory card, that'll also impact your phone performance. So that's the first thing I like to do. So here I've got 6 gigs, but I just ran all these steps here. But normally what I do is click on cache data and then hit OK. That's going to clear a lot of the cached files. And then if anything, what you do is you can also click on miscellaneous files. There's actually a file, folder here called .thumbnails. You can actually delete that and that'll clear up some additional space. And then if anything downloads, and then just if there's old files, just click on them and delete them. This way that'll free up some of the memory. That's the first step to free up some of the memory. Now, if anything, what I also do here is, if anything, I've got developer options enabled. If anything, you want to make sure developer options are turned off. That can also slow down a phone or make it, a little bit laggy. So now, what we're going to do is, I'm going to go now to Application Manager. And under the downloaded section, we're going to delete some apps. So usually I start off by deleting an old app, the one that I don't need. So for example, I got MapQuest here. And usually whenever I delete an app, I hit clear cache first if it lets me, then clear data, then force stop, and then uninstall. So get rid of apps that you don't use or don't need anymore, that are just taking up space. Now that I've got my old apps deleted, I'm just going to go to the home screen, home screen, press and hold the home key, close all, close your recent running apps, and then press and hold the home key again, and pick Task Manager this time. Now under the Task Manager option, I usually hit RAM and then clear memory. That'll clear up if there's any additional cache. Now once I've done the RAM, I usually go to the Play Store and download an app called App Cache Cleaner. And I've been using this app a lot, and this one I usually run it once a month after I do this, and it works great. So all you do is download App Cache Cleaner, and once it scans, I just press clear. Usually with all these steps, once I do all the steps, I reboot the phone. A lot of times you're going to notice a big difference in phone performance. Now the last thing is, if by any chance you did all these steps, but most of your memory is being used by things like photos or videos, last thing you're going to have to do is just basically transfer the photos or videos to either the computer or a memory card. So you really want your phone to have at least a gig of space. If anything, check out my other video, how to transfer files to a memory card. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching.